In this Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to create a striking half-face transparent text effect, both a bold high-contrast version and a softer subtle version. For this, add your face photo and bring a square shape element. Add the text. To make the text align perfectly onto the image, first reduce the transparency of the square and then adjust text. Here, give the text right alignment and adjust the line and letter spacing. Once it's done, drag the face image to next page and increase the transparency of the square. Change its color to black. Then download this page as PNG and upload it to our project. Here, use the background remover to remove all the white spaces. In this way, all the text becomes transparent. Go to Edit and Duotone. Choose Custom and change black color to white. Once done, just align the text image over the background image like this. Similarly, let's create a strong, dramatic half-face text effect. For this, add the face image and remove its background. Change the background to black color. Now go to Duotone and select Custom. Now go to Edit and Adjust. Here, change the contrast, brightness, sharpness, clarity, and other aspects to give a polished, contrasting effect to our image. Here, the measurements will vary as per the image used. Make sure to adjust whites and black aspects as well to get a higher contrast. Once done, add a square, reduce its transparency, and then add text. Make adjustment to the text so that it completely covers the half part of the face. Now drag the face image to next page and download the remaining part as PNG like before. To make background remover work properly, it's important that our background and text should be in white color, and the square shape in between should be black or dark color. After adjusting text, use black-colored rectangle shapes to cover the extra area of face that are visible. This way we can create a more engaging posts for our brand. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.